I bet you didn't know rice water can be the secret to stronger hair, shinier hair. Seriously, it's been used for centuries in Asia. Here's how to use it right. Start by rinsing a cup of rice until the water runs clear. Soak the rice in 2 cups of water for 30 minutes, strain. And you've got your magic potion. Use it as a pre-poo. Apply to dry hair, apply to damp hair. Massage into the scalp and into the lengths for 5 minutes, then cover with a shower cap. Wait 20 to 30 minutes. Rinse. Then use your regular cleanser. Then follow with conditioner. Rice water delivers inositol amino acids. They can smooth the cuticle, reduce friction, help strengthen strands, so you get less breakage and more shine. Tip: dilute it if your hair feels stiff and don't leave it on too long. Try it once a week and watch your hair get happier, healthier, and more resilient.
You want to strengthen your hair. You want to make your hair longer. Your hair is breaking. You don't even know what's wrong with your hair. I bet you that you've not tried rice water, or probably you've not tried rice water in the appropriate way. So in this video, I'm going to be sharing how to use rice water perfectly for your hair. Now, I started by rinsing rice water. I rinsed it twice to remove the dirt actually. So please and please wash your rice. What you need is fermented rice. Now, if we make oil, it is advisable for you to infuse the oil properly and whole. But this one, it is the fermented rice water that we need for our hair. Yes, that is what we need. So I poured it into a glass jar. If you don't have a glass jar, just look for a plastic, probably a transparent one. Yes. And after that, I added hot water to it. Please and please, I'm not saying you should add. You might. It depends on you though. You can add normal water or ordinary water. But for me, I added hot water. And also for this, I'm not using it as a spray. I'm using it as a pre-poo treatment. I'm going to explain that further. Now, guys, can you see? So I added hot water to it. Then you have to keep it and make it ferment. Actually, you have to keep it and make it keep in a cool, dry place for at least 3 weeks. Like I said, you need a fermented what's it called, fermented rice water for your head. Actually, please just keep in a cool, dry place, and you don't have to open it though. Yes, you don't have to like be opening it. Just time it 3 weeks, then you are back. Now this was how it looked when I opened it though. So guys, so it has actually swollen up. We don't need the rice anymore. It's just the water I need. So for me, I needed little actually. If you need more, you can just add water to the rice water you collected from this. But for me, I needed it for pre-poo treatment. The reason why I'm not using it for spray, that is because I have a very thick hair. So me spraying my hair with rice water every day, it can eventually lead to hair breakage. Do you get? So I'm only using it for maybe once in 3 months. Maybe the next time I'm going to use it will be in the next 3 months. Do you understand now? So guys, just use it to rinse your hair, then cover it with your plastic cap for 20 to 30 minutes, then rinse it off. That is all. Like that is all. Please, if you have any question, please allow me in my comment section. Now my next video on this channel, please, if you've not subscribed first, please kindly subscribe and give this video a thumbs up. So this video, I'm sure this will be actually my next video, and I know that you don't want to miss it. Like this potent oil, you're trying to grow your hair long and thick and healthy, my dear, don't miss my next video. Enough is enough for the wise, or how did they normally say it? Don't miss my next video. So this will be my next video. This is a very, very potent oil that I used to grow my hair, and I'm glad I'm sharing this with you. So thank you so much for watching. If you've not subscribed to my channel, please kindly subscribe. Thank you so much.